If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisegel.com to see the full video on the topic. Building on the pattern recognition mastery, this episode reveals how sophisticated investors win competitive deals without destroying economics or relationships. Learn the advanced differentiation strategies beyond valuation, discover how to leverage speed and relationship advantages. This episode is perfect for experienced investors operating in competitive markets where deal winning capabilities determine access to the best opportunities. This is about mastering the art of winning without overpaying. The competitive deal landscape and psychology. Let's start by understanding the fundamental dynamics that drive the competitive rounds. The competitive round reality check. There are hot deals wherein 5 to 15 investors often compete for the best opportunities. There is a time pressure wherein decision windows compress from weeks to days. The preemption strategy, avoiding the competition entirely. The most sophisticated investors often win by avoiding competitive situations entirely. The preemption strategy framework. First and foremost, the relationship based preemption, wherein you have deep founder relationships, you have portfolio referral networks, you have industry expertise demonstration, and you have a valued delivery precedent. Then there is a timing based preemption, wherein you have bridge down participation, you support companies between major rounds. You have milestone based investment, you commit capital contingent on specific achievements. The third is the information advantage preemption, wherein you have pattern recognition application. You identify opportunities before they become obvious. And then there is a strategic partnership preemption, wherein you have customer introduction leverage, business development support, talent network access, and operational expertise. An advanced preemption tactic out here is to have a strategic advisory approach, wherein you become an advisor or provide consulting before the investment discussions. You demonstrate value add capability through actual work. You build trust and relationship before competitive dynamics emerge. Next, let's discuss the advanced negotiation tactics and psychology. Sophisticated investors in competitive rounds require understanding of both founder psychology and competitive dynamics. The competitive negotiation framework is as follows. First and foremost, anchoring and the positioning strategy. High value anchoring. Start with premium positioning, then justify with value. Unique structure options. Offer creative deal structures that others cannot match. Conditional improvements. If you choose us, we can provide X. Next is the information advantage utilization, the market intelligence sharing. Provide insights about competitive landscape that others cannot. Reference differentiation. Share specific portfolio founder experiences relevant to their situation. This brings us to the psychological advantage creation, wherein you do confidence building, making the founder feel more capable and confident about their vision. Validation provision, wherein you affirm their strategic decisions and market insights. Future success visualization, wherein you help them imagine successful outcomes with your partnership. And peer group positioning, wherein you connect them to successful founders at similar steps. An advanced negotiation insight here is the win win maximization approach. Structure deals where founder success maximizes your returns. Avoid zero sum thinking that creates adversarial dynamics. The ecosystem relationship management framework. Winning gracefully. Acknowledge other investors, respect competitors, and avoid disparaging comments. Maintain founder relationships. Don't become complacent after winning. Losing constructively. Maintain relationship with the founder. Continue supporting them even without the investment. Learn from the process. Understand why the other investor was chosen. Keep the door open. Many deals have follow-on opportunities in the future rounds. Maintain competitor relationships. Today's competitor may be tomorrow's syndicate partner. This brings us to the advanced ecosystem strategy, the competitive intelligence framework. Learn from each competitive process about other investors' strategies. Understand market positioning and competitive advantages of the other investors. The goal isn't to win every deal, but to win the right deals at the right prices while building long-term ecosystem relationships that create sustainable competitive advantages. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisegel.com to see the full video on the topic.